What is up, ladies and gentlemen? I have modified a nerf gun here. I will be showing you how to do it in just a second. It did take me some time. I was looking into modifying a nerf gun, and this is one of those stencils that you use to find in maps. It's got the little pokey at the end of it, and you stick it onto the map, and then you twist your hand. It's got like the measure of distance between point to point, I think. I don't know exactly how to explain it. If I could show you a picture, I would show you a picture. But there's the modification. It doesn't wiggle. Alright? So here's the thing about it. So when you shoot your gun, you know how you have to grab this thing by the top to pull it back? Right up here. And then you mess up your scope and everything? Well, now you don't have to. You just simply grab this pin here, slide it back, push it forward. And there you go. You have a classic modification. I am working on making it more comfortable, so yes, I am going to remelt it, and I'm going to put more plastic around it, causing it to be more smooth, and I'm going to douse it in water immediately. In case you're wondering, like, yes, this is a fire hazard. Yes, I do have liquid to help me out with fire. So if any of this did get on my bed, I would be able to put it out. Look how black my left thumb is now. It's got black marks all over it because of the heat. Yeah, I literally just like sat here like this. Let's see. What's something we can make the plastic smooth? It's about to say this, but I think this would melt. This might work. As you can see, it's been used as well. I use a lot of things for modifications on my nerf guns, yes. So let's heat this up right here. Alright. So get it to where the plastic at least like lights on fire, like this. And set it down. And while it's on fire, I'm going to take this, we'll hold it by it, right? Blow it out. And just kind of smoothly rub against it with the softest part of your plastic that you can get. But since I didn't let the fire sit there on one side long enough, it's not going to melt correctly. So I got to flip the gun upside down and then melt this side. Ooh, big flame. Alright, so start melting. No, it will not drip. The plastic on this one is, I think it's meant for like the same texture and shit as the Nerf gun, because you melt the plastic to be able to make the Nerf guns anyway. So let's set this down right here. Alright, so big flames, looks deadly just because of the exposure. Smooth. Come on. So I'm like taking off all the extra flaps. So there you go. It's a little bit more comfortable. Let me set up the camera so I can test it. Nope, it's upside down. rope right here does not move. It simply stays still. I'm recording this video for 5 minutes. I think I might cut it off here. But here's the thing. While reloading, hold down the trigger, pull the pin back. Let go of the trigger as soon as it's back here. And when you reload, stick the magazine in, right? There. Now, pull the trigger. And then you can load it. That's all I got for today's video, is simply modifying guns. If I had any more updates on modifying, I would let you guys know in the next one. The next gun that you might actually see me modifying is this. My favorite gun. It's the Deploy CS6. It comes with a built-in scope. Although people think it's useless, I think it's pretty useful, because when you're at close range, this thing is supposed to be used as a shotgun. People say it's meant for long range. No, it's not even supposed to have an extended barrel piece, so it's supposed to literally just be empty on this part here. But the modification you will be seeing in that video as soon as I know where to make it. If you guys have any questions, you let me know in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces, and have a beautiful day, or night, whatever it is when you're watching this video. Goodbye.